So we already learned how to make turquoise, but now we're gonna learn how to make a cow skull out of turquoise. Alright lady, let's start sketching with my turquoise gel colors. I'm using clear silicone for the horn. Reason why I use silicone because it dries soft and flexible. Since the horn is gonna be sticking out of the cow, I don't want it to break. Oh, and I did apply Teflon matte on the black to block chrome, by the way. See? And now, matte everything. I'm tracing the gold line with Shanded. Now it's time to use clay dough. Clay dough is completely opposite with silicone. It's non-cell level and dry completely solid. I'm applying my chrome base so I can draw my marble vein with ease. Again, apply Teflon matte to block chrome. I'm using my white metal effect gel to adhere chrome. Now apply matte and trace back the gold with Shanded. Ladies, all you need is to remember your homework. That is how I can make the design with flying colors. Do you like it? Oh, and I guess Taurus got first dip on their birthday early this year. That's it for today, honey. Bye.